ready to take your crypto from the exchange to your own personal custody. Let's dive into moving your assets from Kraken to Trust Wallet, giving you full control. First, log into your Kraken account once you're in, find and click on the Assets tab. This is where you'll see all your cryptocurrency holdings. Now, locate the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. For this example, we'll use Bitcoin. Click the Withdraw button next to the asset you've chosen. You'll be presented with a withdrawal form. This is where we'll need information from your Trust Wallet. Don't fill this out just yet. Now, open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. In this case, Bitcoin, and tap on Receive. You'll see your unique Bitcoin receiving address here. Along with a QR code, tap the Copy button to copy this address to your clipboard. Switch back to your Kraken page and paste the copied Trust Wallet address into the Address field on the withdrawal form. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any mistakes. Next, you need to select the correct network for your withdrawal. It's crucial that the network on Kraken matches the network supported by Trust Wallet for that specific cryptocurrency. For Bitcoin, this is typically the Bitcoin network. If you're unsure, check the Trust Wallet app for supported networks. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer in the Amount field. Review all the details, the amount, the recipient address, and the network. Then, proceed through Kraken's security verification steps, which might involve two-factor authentication or email confirmation. Once confirmed, your crypto will be on its way. The transfer time can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion, but it's usually quite efficient. You'll see the incoming transaction reflected in your Trust Wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your crypto from Kraken and now have it securely in your self-custody wallet, ready for Web3 adventures.